Hello, my name is Jason Boyce and I will be demonstrating to you my student innovation project called the Handheld Penetration Device. The main reason I wanted to do this project for a handheld penetration device was to make a more affordable option out there for small businesses. There's a lot of different handheld penetration devices out here that you could get, but they are really high priced. I just wanted to make a small device that anybody that had a small business would be able to do in less than 2 hours. The first device I would like to look at would be the Nokia N800. I first saw this device when I was working as a security analyst at my last job. We bought one to test our wireless access points out. It was pretty expensive, so I couldn't quite see the justification for somebody that had a small business to own one like that. As you can see, it has a lot of the same features. It's got Metasploit, it's got all the different tools that you would need to exploit and test your network out. The next thing I would like to look at would be the Kali NetHunter Offensive Security project that is really allowing us to get into these handheld devices and use them as penetration testing devices. What this really gives you is an option to build it to where you have the exact tools that you want to meet your needs, to make sure that it is just perfect for what you want to do in your small business. The first feature that I would like to show you would be to prove the fact that I have a custom ROM running on a rooted device. I went with the CinemaGen Mod version software operating system, and you see it spinning up here. This is the basic startup of it. The next demo I would like to do is some information gathering. You would do this when you were doing your IAM process in the IAM technical portion. We're going to launch the Kali menu terminal here. Under this, there's an option that is just for information gathering. It will be option 4, and I will put it in the top part because it's fading in and out. So the next thing is going into the tool called the Spider Footprint tool. This tool is a web-based tool that you have to go into to scan devices. Next thing you'll do is go into, open up a browser and type in that IP address on the top. This is where you want to get your ethical hacking hats on and make sure that you're only going after devices that you have control of or you have permission to go after. I used my Apple computer here to go after and do some scans towards. So here's the IP address for it. I'm typing in now. And what this offers you is some reports. There's a lot of different options you can go through here. As you can see, I just left all of these marked and just went down to the very, very bottom of it and hit scan. And once you hit scan, you'll start getting a bunch of reports coming back of different stuff, and I'll show you some of them here. And it continues to scan. There's, see, you got running of 4, unique 4, and it'll give you errors as they pop up. Now we can look at some of these reports. What you get from the reports is through the IAM process, you gather information on targets. You're looking for anomalies, any chance of any open ports, any chance you might have a vulnerable computer out there. You use all this information to help gather information so you have something to use when you go back and try to find something to attack. As you can see from my demonstration of using this rooted device as my handheld penetration device, you can do information gathering to help you throughout the entire IAM process, through the technical part of the IAM process. This tool can be used to help you throughout the process. Thank you.